Hello guys. Okay. All right. So let's discuss quickly column and columns. Right. So this work the same way with rows. So take for instance now we want to check what column we have, and then we can simply tell this guy to say, tell us what column are we here. Right. So remember these are our columns. These are the columns. Right. Okay. So what do you need to do? Let's say I need this column. What column is this? This is column 8. Right, so if you count from here down here, this is column 8. Column H is column 8. So if you draw upward, then this is column 17. Right, so at the same time, you can use columns to see the number of columns you have in a particular selected table. Right, so I want to group all this and ask this my formula. So what is the number, how many columns do we have here? So which means from column H to this column column Q, what we have is just 10. So you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 columns, so that will give you 10 columns, right? So you can use this as top ranking as well, and then you can just use this on the horizontal level, and that will equally work for you as well. So guys, that is how you use column as well. Please do the top and row horizontally, and that will work for you. Alright guys, so um, that is that on lookup preference. So lastly, I'm going to talk on the 𝐿ookup. This is for people that has 𝐿ookup in the newest version of Microsoft 2021 or Office 365. I will see you in the next video.